Welcome back. In this video we'll discuss how to filter groups of instruments so that you can save space and organize a bit better. Filtering is a great way to keep up with tracks and will definitely help you work much more efficiently. All we have to do is add some instruments. Randomly go through here and add. We have a synth, bass, and some keys as well as a sampler. And then all we have to do is just select the instruments that we want on a particular group. So for instance, if I just wanted the synth and the bass on one group, I would just hold down Shift and left click over here to select both of them. And then we'll go up to the Channels menu item and left click, and then we'll go to Group Selected. And then it's going to ask me to enter in a name. So for this, I'll just put in bass and synth, and then hit enter. And now both of these two items are on one filter group. And if we wanted to go back and see everything, all we would have to do is go down here and select all to display all channels. And there we have everything again. Now if you wanted to add something to this group, there are two ways to do it. One would be just to select the group that you want to add to and then add a channel like you would normally add one, and it's going to appear in that group. Or let's say we wanted to add this keys. Go back here. Let's say we wanted to add this keys to that group. We would just make sure that the keys item is selected, and again go up here to channels and go to group selected. It's going to again ask us for a name, and we'll just enter in the name of the group that we want this transferred to. And it would be the same case if you wanted to remove something from a category. All you would need to do is select the item that you want removed, and then again choose that group selected option, and then enter in unsorted, and it will move it back to the unsorted category with everything else. But again, using filters is a great idea if your project is getting larger and you're starting to run out of room, or if you're losing track of where you are. I try to keep all my drums together, my synths together, basses, samples, and all that, so that I can keep track of where everything is in its own space. And if I need to see everything, I can always go back and choose that all option to bring up everything. So that's about it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.